Ever wondered if there's a correct way to clean oil-based paintbrushes? Well, there indeed is, and it's all about preserving the quality and longevity of your brushes. Here's a simple guide to help you out. The first step is to wipe off the excess paint. Start by using a paper towel or a rag to remove as much paint as possible from the brush. Once you've removed the bulk of the paint, it's time to give the brush a rinse with a solvent. Suitable solvents for oil-based paints include mineral spirits or turpentine. Pour some solvent into a container and swish your brush around. This should loosen up the paint. You might need to repeat this process a few times with fresh solvent until it runs clear. After the solvent has done its job, it's time to wash the brush with soap and water. A mild soap or a specialized brush cleaner will do the trick. Work the soap through the bristles with your fingers or a brush comb, ensuring you're reaching every part of the brush. Now rinse the brush thoroughly under running water until the water runs clear, ensuring all traces of soap and solvent are gone. Next, shake out the excess moisture from the brush. A gentle shake should do, but you can also squeeze out any remaining water using your fingers. Now, it's time to reshape the bristles. Gently use your fingers to bring the brush bristles back to their original form. Finally, let the brush dry. Place it horizontally on a flat surface or hang it vertically with the bristles pointing downwards. This prevents water from soaking into the handle and preserves the shape of the bristles. Remember, always work in a well-ventilated area when using solvents, and always follow the manufacturer's safety instructions. And don't forget, properly disposing of used solvents and paint residues is not just good practice, it's also crucial for protecting our environment. So, there you have it. The proper way to clean oil-based paintbrushes. With these steps, you can ensure your brushes stay in top condition for many creative projects to come.